Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you one of my favorite gel polish colors at the moment and also how I build up the rest of my broken nail on which I applied a tip. That was already shared in a previous video, but yeah, first up I just wanted to file some of my nails a little bit more straight so it was like a complete perfect set, or at least on this hand. And I'm going over the surface of my nails with a soft buffing block. It does have a little bit of a grit, so don't be too harsh with that, but just make sure there isn't like any dust or oils or anything like that left on the nail using some rubbing alcohol. And then you want to go in with your base coat, and I am going to apply a little bit more on the thumb just to give a little bit more structure to the nail because we did add a false tip on there. I did manage to blend the edge of the tip onto the natural nail quite well, I have to say. If you want to know how I do that, just check out my previous video, which is like a tips and tricks on really to super easily apply a false tip yourself. As you guys know, I am not a licensed nail tech. I have taught myself everything I know and everything I do. I do have to say that I've been doing my own nails for about 15 years now, so practice really makes perfect and just have some patience while doing it. But for today's gel polish color, I really wanted to talk to you guys about this Madam Glam shade called Angel Wings. Angel Wings is one of the gel polish colors that I received from my first Madam Glam PR package. I was able to pick out 4 colors back then, and I'm just still totally in love with this color, and I felt like it needed its own gel polish of the week video. So that's why I'm going to use that one for today's video. I really love this color. It is a super soft, like baby pink color. It is completely creamy and pretty much opaque in just 2 thin layers. And you only have to cure it for 30 seconds in LED or a full minute in UV. It totally depends on what kind of lamp you use to cure your gel polishes. I only have an LED lamp, by the way. I get a lot of questions about that as well. I'm still looking for a new lamp, so if you have any recommendations, do let me know. It doesn't have to be a super cheap one, but I would rather spend my money on lovely gel polishes and nail polishes than on a light to cure my gels. So if you have something in like the medium range of prices, do let me know in the comments down below. And I think a lot of my subscribers are really curious about that too. So if you are the one with the best lamp in your opinion, do let us know in the comments down below. But I just applied 2 layers of that beautiful pink color, and I'm going in with my soak off top coat. I really wanted to use the regular top coat, so there still is a sticky layer after curing that you have to get rid of, but I really wanted to try this top coat in combination with the nail powders that I also received by Madam Glam, because they are like posted like you have to use it with the no wipe top coat, and I just really wanted to try it out and see how it would work and last if you just use the regular top coat. So yeah, I just really wanted to do that, so I just went with it, applied my top coat and cured that for 30 seconds as well. And after that I did remove the sticky layer because I read somewhere that that was the best thing to do if you do use nail powders in combination with like a sticky residue top coat. So I did remove the sticky layer with some rubbing alcohol. I just used the 96%, but I think that the 70% alcohol would work just fine too. Don't like pin me down on that because I'm not sure, but it's just an assumption that I'm willing to make. But like in most drugstores you can get rubbing alcohol, so it isn't that hard to get by. But yeah, I'm going to apply a beautiful nail powder, and this one is like an Aurora powder, and it's called Apollo 11. It gives like a pinkish purpley to bluish sheen, kind of pearlescent in my opinion, and a little goes a really long way. So I just used a little bit of the powder which was onto the protection seal, and I just rubbed it in, and I didn't really notice any difference between using this regular soak off top coat and the no wipe one. And also I actually wore this complete set on my right hand for 3.5 weeks in total, and then like the new growth was just too crazy and I had to switch. But even this nail powder stayed on perfectly, even with the other top coat, so that was a big plus. So I really wanted to share that with you guys as well, that personally, I didn't notice a difference. The only thing was that you do have to get rid of the sticky layer before you apply the powder, and of course afterwards, after curing the top coat layer on top of that powder again. So that is the only difference. I felt like long time was great, or long time wear time was really long and great, and there really wasn't a difference in my opinion, but it might vary from person to person. Just me doing my everyday job and just all of my chores around the house, I didn't notice any difference. So the fact that this manicure actually lasts 3.5 weeks on my nails says a whole lot in my opinion. But for the other 4 nails, I already applied the soak off base coat off camera, and I'm just going in with 2 layers of that beautiful Angel Wings color. It is so gorgeous. You guys know me, I love my pinks, but I can really appreciate a good glittery polish, whether it's regular nail polish or gel polish. You guys, you know I love my glitter. But personally, I think it is amazing that this color has no shimmer and no glitter in it, because it is just such a gorgeous shade that glitter in this polish would kind of ruin it, or like, I don't know how to say that, like take away the shine and the prettiness of the color by itself. So I'm really happy that there isn't any glitter or shimmer or anything like that in this polish, and it is just a lovely creamy color. So yeah, I think you guys can really hear that I'm super enthusiastic about this color. Like, I even love the brand itself, and once again, I'm not getting paid or anything like that to make this video or talk about these products the way I do. I'm just really like down to earth. Like, I'm Dutch, you know. We are pretty down to earth people, and I really wouldn't say that I would like a product if it wasn't really like true. So yeah, you guys see me using Madam Glam's products like all the time, and of course I have a discount code for you guys. I'm not getting paid either to say that or share that. It is just something that Madam Glam made sure I could share with my dear subscribers. So if you want 30% discount off of your order, the discount code is femketje30. So if you want to check that out, the link is in the comment box or the description box down below as well. So yeah, that's just a little tip. Most of Madam Glam's gel polishes are, their regular price is like $19.95 in dollars, but they have a lot of like cool discounts on their website, like every now and then. I think they have like discounts running throughout the year, so you can always just check them out, and maybe you can even get some gel polishes with 50% discount, which is pretty cool, by the way. Like, I'm Dutch, I like a good deal. But yeah, the quality is just great. It is the only gel polish that has lasted for at least 3 weeks perfectly on my natural nails. You guys know these are my natural nails, like aside from the tip on my thumb, of course, but you guys know like 99% of the time I have my own regular natural long nails I work on, and it just lasts for at least 3 weeks without any lifting or cracking or having tip wear or anything like that. So I'm just really happy about it. And then again, there are so many colors to choose from. I really like my pinks, you guys know that, and this is just one of my favorite colors. I would love to wear this every single day, but I also have to make YouTube videos about other colors and other brands, so that's why I did wear this for 3.5 weeks, but I really had to switch it up. And even now I am recording this voiceover. I pre-recorded this like 4, maybe even 5 weeks ago, so it is like a little later now, but at the moment I'm also wearing other gel polishes by Madam Glam, which is actually a Pokemon design. Pretty cool in my opinion, but I would really love to try and edit that as soon as possible, but my work is just crazy at the moment. I don't get much sleep. You guys must have already seen me talk about this on my Instagram if you follow me on my Instagram page account. How do you even say that? My work is kind of crazy and kind of stressful as well, so that's why I'm running a little late on my video editing, and that's why I have pre-recorded this video and edited the voiceover later on, if you guys know what I mean. I'm sorry if I'm rambly, this is just one of those rambly videos. But back to the nails. I have applied 2 layers of Angel Wings, of course, onto the fully cured base coat layer, cured every layer for 30 seconds in LED, and I am applying that Apollo 11. I think it's from the Candy collection, these powders. So I just added that nail powder to the ring finger only. I really had to try to not get it onto the other nails, because once it is on there, it is on there. So yeah, I just really love the finish it gives. It is not like too much in your face, but if you do notice it, you really notice like it is different than the other nails, and I really like that. It's just like a little like Easter egg, or how do you say that? Something like special that no one really sees, but only few people really notice. So I really like that. It is a really beautiful nail powder and it applies so like easily. It is insane. These nail powders by Madam Glam were actually the first powders I even tried. I did have some other powders by Essence and some from AliExpress, but I feel like these don't really apply that nicely, or you need like a whole lot more powder to get the same effect. And with these you just need a little bit and you just go a really long way. But yeah, I just sealed that powder in with another layer of that regular top coat, cured that for 30 seconds, and now I'm just getting rid of any excess powder and the sticky layer from that top coat with some rubbing alcohol. But yeah, I really hope you liked this video. Sorry if it's a little bit rambly, but you know, life gets busy, I get busy, I get brain farts every now and then. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.